I will cut the pumpkin into pieces. I put the cut pumpkin on the oven tray. I take the pumpkin to a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius to bake for an hour. The pumpkin is baked and I will wait for it to cool. I will separate the pumpkin from the skin and put it in a blender. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I'm going to blend the pumpkin into a puree. We got the pumpkin puree, and now I need clean and free jars. I add 2 spoons of sugar to each jar. I need lemon juice. I add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the jar. I'll fill the jars with pumpkin puree. I'll stir. I'll wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with clean and new lids. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pot. I pour lukewarm water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 30 minutes. The pasteurization is complete, and I will leave the jars to gradually cool in the water. Store the jars in a dark place until use. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, friends.